Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make an organic house. Start by assessing sunlight, ventilation, and the space available for plants and composting systems. Next, prioritize non-toxic materials like untreated wood and natural fibers for furniture and finishes. Focus on passive heating and cooling to save energy and support plant life. Finally, choose native plants and well-balanced soil to create a resilient, low-maintenance indoor ecosystem. To build an organic house, select materials that are healthy and sustainable for you and the environment. Opt for untreated wood, natural fiber insulation, and breathable finishes like oils or waxes. For potting, mix compost, perlite, and native topsoil to support root health and microbes. Keep synthetic chemicals out of living areas by choosing plant-based adhesives and sealants. These choices reduce toxins and improve indoor air quality for everyone. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more organic home tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh-smelling car after plant shopping or messy soil trips. It's a fun little pick-me-up that keeps things pleasant between chores. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Now let's get back to the video. Organize your indoor garden so plants with similar needs share space and light to make care simple and predictable. Use self-watering containers or capillary systems to maintain even moisture and reduce overwatering issues. Encourage beneficial insects and use gentle remedies like neem or soap sprays for pests, avoiding harsh chemicals. Rotate and monitor plants regularly to spot stress early, and amend soils with finished compost for lasting nutrient support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.